Hello, Rubber Rockets fans. Today, we have the Spy Ninja Project Zorgo Infiltration Kit. We have a letter from Chad and V, and kind of like the stuff from the new recruit mission kit, like same exact thing. Now, it's one of the tools, guys. Yeah, gotta remove this. Okay, we got it. It's the mask. New mask. New mask. It comes with the mask. It comes with the Spy Ninja, Project Zorgo voice morpher. So it comes with some pencils. Let's pop them out. So here it says Project Zorgo on it with the little mask. Now, this one also says Project Zorgo on it, but it has ones and zeros on it. I'll show you this. Hey fans, what's up? That was fast, medium, and okay, here's the mask. Now, cool, right? Oh, these buttons you were talking about? So this one changes your voice. Off, on and off switch. The very top says demo, so if you want to turn it off, make sure it's in the middle. This one has the playback, and this one has one's already recorded. Farts.
Attention all
Project Zorgo leader. Boom. Another fart. Another fart again. Melvin, aka PC9. We forgot to show you this in the last one. Sorry, guys. So here we have this. Wait, there's a couple things I didn't show you. So we didn't. This part is actually pretty new to me, guys, because I opened everything except this part. It comes with Project Zorgo. It comes with a Project Zorgo certificate. A little Project Zorgo book that goes with the pencils. Seriously, instruction manuals. The little card to decode the little things, and it also has a fake spy end one. So here's a card you find, like, you know, from the other one, it had a little things that were scribbled red, and you look through it, and then you see it normal. And this is the fake one. Look at it, guys. It's made out of cardboard. Look, see it spin. So this is actually a cardboard one. You get a better one in the new recruit mission kit. So, you know the decoder I just showed you? I haven't showed you this book. Go together. And look on the back. I don't know if you could see, but you could see there's a little old school Project Zorgo member, sorta, a little cowboy guy.
Attention all Project Zorgo members.
Ha ha. Got you guys. It's supposed to be for pranks. Well, I'm gonna write my name. Here comes the certificate. Ooh, cool. Yeah. Gotta erase that. I get lots of numbers backwards. Just got 3 backwards. And I just came up with a Project Zorgo number. So my PC number is 303, PC 303. Well, here's the mask. You want me to put it on, guys? Okay. I am PZ 303.
Always remember, Project Zorgo is watching.
And I forgot to do the rest. So we have this for the decoder. This blah 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 blah. Guys, I'll do as best as I can. This is the field training manual. So it has lots of disguises. And these 2 videos, it says look for clues. And it wants us. So if you go on YouTube, go on Chad Wild Clay, Spy Ninjas, and look for these videos. This one's probably on V's Quaint's channel. This one's probably on Chad's, or both. Just see if they both come up. Okay, guys? So that's mostly it. Only this left. Got a little cool little Project Zorgo thing on the front. And that's about it. But look, guys, right here, the box is even cool because look in there. 1s and 0s. 1 0 0 1 0 0.